In this video, I'll take you through a detailed review of Drip, a powerful email marketing automation tool designed for e-commerce businesses and marketers looking to optimize their email campaigns. Drip positions itself as a sophisticated yet user-friendly platform that offers advanced automation, segmentation, and integrations. But does it live up to its promises? Let's find out. Starting with the dashboard, Drip greets users with a clean and intuitive interface, making navigation easy even for those new to email marketing. On the left panel, you can access core functionalities like campaigns, workflows, segments, and integrations. The homepage also provides quick insights into subscriber growth, recent broadcasts, and automation performance. Moving on to email campaigns, Drip allows users to create one-off email broadcasts or set up Drip sequences that nurture leads over time. The email editor is flexible, featuring both a visual drag-and-drop builder and an HTML editor for more customization. Unlike some competitors, Drip emphasizes personalization with dynamic tags and behavior-based triggers, ensuring each subscriber receives relevant content. One of Drip's standout features is its automation workflow builder. The visual interface allows users to create complex automations using conditions, actions, and triggers. Whether you want to send a follow-up email based on customer behavior, tag subscribers based on their interactions, or integrate SMS messaging, Drip offers robust automation capabilities. This is particularly useful for e-commerce brands looking to implement abandoned cart sequences, post-purchase emails, or VIP customer nurture sequences. Segmentation in Drip is another area where it excels. Instead of simple list-based management, Drip allows deep segmentation based on customer activity, purchase behavior, and engagement. This helps marketers send hyper-targeted emails to different audience segments, improving open rates and conversions. Drip also boasts a variety of integrations with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. The seamless integration with these platforms allows users to track customer actions, trigger automations based on purchases, and analyze revenue generated from email campaigns directly within Drip. Beyond e-commerce, Drip integrates with Zapier, Facebook ads, and a range of CRM tools, making it a versatile choice for growing businesses. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Now, let's talk about pricing. Unlike some other email marketing platforms that offer free plans, Drip is entirely premium, with pricing based on the number of contacts. While this might seem costly for small businesses, the advanced automation, segmentation, and e-commerce focus features can provide a strong return on investment. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly alternative, Drip may not be the best choice. Performance-wise, Drip provides detailed analytics that help users track key metrics like email open rates, click-through rates, and revenue attribution. The revenue reporting is especially beneficial for e-commerce brands, as it provides a direct link between email campaigns and actual sales. Overall, Drip is a powerful tool for businesses that need advanced automation and segmentation in their email marketing strategy. The platform's ease of use, deep integrations, and robust features make it a solid choice for e-commerce brands looking to boost conversions. However, the lack of a free plan and the slightly high pricing may be a downside for smaller businesses. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on in-depth reviews like this one.